Hello everybody, here is Recare Co Limited. Last year we sold more than 50 million pieces of different rapid tests to more than 100 different countries. Many customers often ask us one question: what's accuracy about your test? Now I want to talk about this question. Today we are going to talk about false positives of pregnancy test. A false positive means the rapid test result show you have been pregnancy, while you are not pregnant actually. And we have summed up 8 different situations. The first one is high protein in your urine. The second situation is acid urine. When the pH value in your urine is lower than 5%, it is detection of positive is possible. The third one is positive result during your ovulation period. The fourth one is taking birth control pills or just eating hot pot. The fifth condition is that some women with high HCG concentration may also be detected positive 1 or 2 days before menstruation or during menstruation. The sixth condition is that some disease may also cause false positives, such as pituitary disease, hyperthyroidism, ovarian tumors, endometrial hyperplasia, uterine cancer and uterine tumors, hydatidiform moths, and menopausal patients, gastric cancer patients, and other diseases. The seventh one is eating fertility drug containing HCG, such as assisted fertility or medicines to protect the fetus. The last one is the case of curettage, does not do completely within 25 days after abortion, in which the false positive may be also caused. This above mentioned 8 different situations will make the test failed. So in this situation, you have to go to hospital to see your doctor. Thanks for you. See.